Hello and welcome to my garden and allotment diary for today. Today is the 21st of January and this is my gardening and diary blog. Stay tuned for what I get up to today down on the allotment. Today it's absolutely freezing, it's frosty outside, it's cold, so the ground will be solid, so I won't be able to do any work outside at the moment. But today we're going to be doing some work inside for the time being. So let me share with you my tips what I'm going to be doing today, so stay tuned and keep watching. Remember to hit that like button and the subscribe button, and check the description in my video and check out the website that I've got. So yeah, stay tuned for today's video. So today I'm inside my polytunnel. As part of the winter jobs, it's a good idea to get your polytunnel cleared down, washed down and ready for springtime. The reason why it needs washing down is to stop any diseases what had been lurking around from last year, from any tomato plants or cucumber plants, etc. So it's a good idea to get it all cleaned down and ready for the year ahead. So that is the job which I'm going to be doing today, and let me show you what it looks like. It's not a pretty sight. So as you can tell, it's all from last year, so it all needs stripping back, clearing down and getting ready for the year ahead. Slowly getting there. I don't know why I always leave it until the year after. I should do it as soon as everything's died off really. But there's not much else to do today while ground's rock hard, so it's perfect time to get cracking and clearing all this. And as you can see, I have bindweed growing in here. So I'm gonna have to, I think, take up all my flooring before I start planting out again, as I don't want that taking over, as bindweed grows very fast. I think I read something like 11 centimeters in a day it can grow, so I need to get as much out as that as possible and just keep taking it out as it's growing. It's so hard to get on top of bindweed, but keep cracking, it keeps me busy. So yeah, let's get going. One thing that's important, obviously, like I said, as you're clearing it down, is to wash it all down. As you can see, it's got like all this mold growing on it, so that'll be one job, to clear all that off. I don't think I'll get that done today, but that is a job on the list, to get it all clean and looking fresh, ready for this year. So I've finally cleared down all my polytunnel. I've still got all the pots to empty of compost, but it's looking tons better and I can actually walk around it now without having to climb over anything. Let me give you a glance of what it looks like. That's what it looks like. This is a massive polytunnel, this huge. I can't remember the exact size of it, but I think it's 25 foot, something like that. So those are all my containers, what I've got to empty. Those are what I grow my tomatoes in. They all need emptying, washing down and cleaning, ready for this year. That's all my rubbish and my bindweed, which I need to get rid of. And then, like I said, I need to take up this flooring, which is going to be a hard task. I'm going to have to clear everything out of here to get it out, but I want to check what's underneath it, whether the roots from the bindweed are going under it, because obviously they'll need to come out, because I don't want it to spread all over my plot. And also try and level it out a bit. Like I said, it's been down 7 or 8 years, and as you can tell, it's not level in certain places, so it could do with leveling out a bit and scraping back and making it more easier to put my pots on without them toppling over. So that's one of my main plans, but we'll get there as we get along. I tend to do stuff inside when it's either cold or whether it's raining. It's ideal to have this polytunnel down here, because when it is raining, obviously you can do jobs inside, so there's always something on the plot that you can do. This polytunnel costed me quite a lot of money to purchase, but it was one of the best investments ever that I made down here. I've not had to replace the cover yet, touch wood. It's lasted me 7-8 years, which is fantastic for a polytunnel cover, because usually they just last about 4 or 5. So it must be looked after by myself, so I must be doing something right. But yeah, I've got to get it all washed down, cleaned down, flooring up, levelled out, ready for this year. And I've still got plenty of time left to do it all. I shan't be using Polytunnel till April, May time. so I've got plenty of time to get it all prepared. This is the ideal time to do those winter jobs, get everything ready before you are struggling to keep up with everything when you're growing all your seeds. I don't know if you'd like me, everything grows at once and it's just too much time what you have to spend looking after your plants, so you don't get to do the jobs that you want to do. So that's my plan of attack. So thanks for watching. Remember to check the description below to see my website, and also to give it a like and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with my videos. Until next time, keep gardening.